Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as I promised, I'll be showing you guys different ways to make money online that I use and I trust. So I'll be showing you guys three softwares or apps I use to make money online. So I'll be starting from the last one I don't like. So let's start from there. The last one, which is Bamboo. This Bamboo is a software which you can use and buy stocks, EFTs, and bonds. So the minimum amount you can use this, the minimum amount you can invest using this app is 5,000 naira. So it's very nice. I use it, but maybe I don't like the UI and stuff. So the next one is Pigvest. Pigvest, you don't use it to buy stocks or EFTs. So you save with this app. Like, you can lock your money for 365 days, 180 days, or 90 days, and at the end of this period, you'll be giving your return maybe 20% or 19% or 13% or even 16%, depending on the option you use. So Pigvest is a very good platform if you want to lock your money, if you want to save, if you are afraid to take the risk of buying stocks and other stuff. So the first one now is Trove. Trove is one of the best platform I use for my investment, and here you can all different brands of ETFs and bonds, and the minimum amount you can use in this is as low as the money you have. You can use 1,000 naira, 500, depending on the amount of money you have. So in my next video, I will show you guys step-by-step processes on how to open these apps and how to start your investment. So if you're new to this channel and you are here to subscribe, you hit the subscribe button and wait for my next video. Thank you.